My name is Liliane, and if you're new here, let me tell you why this channel exists. I studied Business Informatics, and today I work as a cybersecurity consultant at one of the Big Four. A job I genuinely enjoy for its complexity, responsibility, and the satisfaction that comes from solving real problems. But here's the truth: everyone thinks, yet almost no one says out loud. Even when you work in a respected career, even when you do everything right, even if you're highly ambitious and eager to climb the career ladder, there can still be a part of you that feels like that can't be it. You suddenly realize your time belongs to everyone except you. That feeling became painfully real 4 months ago when my 82-year-old mother had a cerebral hemorrhage. In that moment, every meeting, deadline, project, every urgent corporate task instantly became meaningless. My entire world collapsed into one word: time. Time with her, time with the people I love, time I suddenly realized I never want to negotiate with a company again. That moment changed me. It forced me to rethink everything I believed about work, about money, about freedom, about the future, and that's why I started this channel. My financial goals are simple but ambitious. Hit my first 100,000. I'm close to reaching this milestone. Build toward a $1 million net worth and help as many people as possible do the same. Not to chase wealth, but to reclaim time, choice, and independence. Because in the end, it's never about the money, but about the endless possibilities and the freedom of choice that money creates. Let's reach this goal together, not for status, not for luxury, but for freedom, for the ability to live intentionally, not reactively, to choose where I spend my time instead of trading my best years for a retirement I might not even reach. If you're someone who wants time freedom, who wants to build a life on your own terms, who wants to create a future where work is optional, you are in the right place. I'm not here as a millionaire teaching downwards. I'm here as someone in the middle of the journey, documenting every step, the mistakes, the wins, the strategy, and the systems that help ordinary people build extraordinary freedom. I'm here to speak up, to speak my truth, and to stay true to myself every step of the way. And if that resonates with you, subscribe, join me on this journey, and let's create a life we're proud to live, not one we're trying to escape. Because your time is the most valuable and priceless asset you'll ever have. And it's time to take it back, strategically, one step at a time. Cheers to choosing yourself again and to building the life you truly deserve.